Yo, what's up, guys? This QuarterCon is back. Exams are almost over for me, and I'm gonna start back making more videos and stuff like that. So, yeah, during this summer. So, hopefully I can bring back the consistency I had before. But let's kick things off with a video on how to make commands for your terminal or command prompt, whatever you want to call it, Windows PowerShell, Ubuntu. Um, how to make scripts that you can run by just like, let's say you want to say pog, and then I don't know, it deletes a file or something, it does something, right? Or it opens up a file for you. Um, whatever script you have, obviously you do know what it does and you know what you want to use it for. You just want to be able to access it through this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just delete Tesla. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna open up this and we're gonna make a quick script. Okay, gonna make a quick script. Uh, hold on a sec. Okay, so I got this script, um, and it's to delete a file, well, a folder rather. So we're gonna create this folder, new folder, and we're gonna name it test law. Okay, test law. And this is just an example of what you can do using commands. I didn't want to come up with some random gigantic script that runs a video game or whatever. But we're just gonna make a simple command that deletes one file, not a file, a folder, from this directory. So this is the folder and we're gonna just save this. So Control plus S. And we're gonna add this to path. But we're not gonna add the py file to path. We're gonna add the what are we gonna add? We're gonna add an exe file to path. And we'll be able to run this exe. And what you're really doing is just converting this py file to an exe and then adding it to path, and then you can use that as a command. Now here's how we're gonna do it now. So we're gonna use py installer to convert it into an exe. Um, of course, pip install py installer. Once it's downloaded, you can use it. I recommend using it in Windows PowerShell, or you can use it in this one. Just make sure it's Windows PowerShell, because I'm not sure how it works in other command prompts or terminals rather. So just make sure you're using either Windows PowerShell, or you can try it in another terminal, but just it might not work. Just saying. So py installer main.py. I think I need to do one file, right? If Take off one file if you're doing a video game, of course. But if it's a script that you want to run in terminal, which is what we're doing right now, we do one file. Okay, let's actually copy this and delete this. And I'm gonna cd into tests 2. I need to put this in quotes because it has a space in it. So CLS, and there we go. Let's see if that works. Now it's gonna take some time, so I'll be right back. While that's going on, I also want to say, join the Discord. We have a new one. The last one was hacked, but we're back and we're good. Most of the people are back. We have our same helpers that we had before, and just saying, if you were in it before and randomly is gone, if you're randomly gone or whatever the case may be, there's a new server. Let's go ahead and check on this and unrecognized arguments. Pi installer dash dash one file. I misspelled it. Then I'm gonna do main.py. Of course, the name is main.py, and yeah, be right back. Okay, so the exe file was built. The exe file was built just a few seconds ago, and as you can see, everything went successfully. If you go into the directory you downloaded in, well, run the code in, not run the code, run the command py installer one file main.py, or whatever the name of your file is that you want to turn into an exe file. You'll realize that it worked. Well, assuming you are on Windows PowerShell. Again, it could work in other ones, but I'm just saying. Now we want our command to be pog. So we're gonna rename this exe file to be pog, and you just name it whatever you want it to be. So because I want it to be pog, I'm gonna name it pog. You could name it like, I don't know, my name is Haru, so I'm gonna name it Haru. The thing will be Haru. So right, I just do pog, and there we go. Yeah, so let's go ahead and just add this to path, and then you'll be able to use it. So this is the directory. We're just gonna copy this, and let me just go ahead and CLS this out of here because I have OCD. Environment variables. I trust that you know how to add to path already, but just in case you don't, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So I click this, then I go to path, edit, new, bam, okay, okay, okay. Now I think I need to restart the terminal. Well, let's check path. Okay, it's not a command, I guess. Only on CMD it seems to work. CMD prompt. Where's the paths? No, it's not. Okay, well, whatever. Pog. I didn't print out anything, obviously. If you see the code, there isn't anything printed out to show that it has been deleted. But if we go ahead and check here, go to code and look for test law, you'll see that it is not here. I'll search for it. Search for the folder, test law. Yeah, so if you convert it to an exe file, it works just fine, just as if it's a normal Python file. Just like if you convert, like, I don't know, C++ to exe. I don't even know if that's a thing, but it works. Yeah, I'm not a C++ coder. Anyway, hope that helped you in whatever you needed. Of course, just in case you think these these two are unneeded, you can just go ahead and delete both of them. They are not really needed. You just need the distribution file, add that to path, and then you're good to go. Distribution folder, I mean. So yeah.